Hey, this is my flying carpet, Midway, December 1969. This game came out with a little tiny loop of tape that would play a few noises when you hit targets instead of just bells. It can play voices, recorded audio. It has a speaker in the bottom of it. I decided to put together a little more sound effects now using a circuit card, a wave trigger board. It takes inputs like a target that you hit, and then you can add a whole library of sounds that it'll play for you. So I was able to add game over music, that's what's playing right now, and in-game music, which makes it more fun. And a lot more noises for each of the targets you hit. More noises for the gun, things like random ricochets and things like that. I don't know, I think it makes it more fun. I like it. I wanted to share it. So without talking anymore, I'll do a demonstration. Here we go for a new game. I need to beat 9,000 points to win another game after this. I probably won't. And I'll turn the music up so you can definitely hear it in the video. I'm going to go for the easier guys first. The 4 in the barrels along the bottom. Big pots. There, he made a whooshing noise because he's flipping around, he's spinning. Now he laughed at me. That was an original sound effect. I'm gonna go for the genie now. He's the guy going up on the left side. Be careful what you wish, he says. That was the sound effect I made from a text-to-speech generator. Another new one. There's another new sound effect. I gotta go for the carpet now. He's screaming. I got him screaming. That was all 3 screams. I'll get him angry. So anybody who's familiar with this game would have recognized that a lot of the original noises were still in there. I kept those, but I added new ones too. So I got all the original noises, plus a bunch more, plus the background music in the game and after the game. So I think it's pretty cool. There are some other sound effects I'm not able to play because they're copyrighted. So I've got Steppenwolf's Magic Carpet Ride, and I've got the Aladdin soundtrack, Arabian Nights, and also They Might Be Giants, Istanbul was Constantinople. I wish I could play those for you, but I can't.